went out of my way to make it look stupid.
And
that's not what
it's
it
fine
is.
if you didn't do it on purpose, but I'm telling you, if I didn't think it was that deep, I wouldn't have told you. I'd have kept my mouth shut and moved the fuck on. Do you get what I mean?
But why do you think it's that deep?
Because you fucking disrespected me from the whole house. The whole house, it knows that me and you have a thing. And then you decide to, let her friend rub his head. And she was right there.
Oh my God.
I'm right fucking there.
So what would have happened if we kissed?
Micheal and Jackie B get into a big fight over Angel. The drama in Big Brother NAIJA house happens to get more interesting as days go by. In today's edition of the show, Jackie B and her boyfriend Micheal got into a big fight over Angel. This began when Angel gave Micheal's temple, side of the head behind the eyes, a massage because he was having a migraine. Jackie B was greatly displeased with this and confronted Micheal about it after the party. However, Micheal yelled at her and accused her of assuming things. However, during a group conversation with Perry, Boma, and Maria, Jackie B revealed her side of the story. She stated that she felt disrespected by Angel's action. She further revealed that she is a matured person and that Micheal and if Micheal and Angel intend to become a couple, she would not stand in the way and she would help them plan their wedding. However, fans of the show have berated Jackie B for growing attached to Micheal in just a few days without getting to know him. Many feel she should take a step back and reevaluate the relationship.
Please kiss her. It's not my problem.
Wait, no.
I'm not saying I'd rather not.
No, I don't think you understand my question.
I'd rather not be attached to you.
I don't think you understand my question. Jackie, wait, please. With all due
Yeah.
respect, time out, please, time out. If this is disrespect, wait, hold on, wait, what? If, oh my God, this is like deja vu, dog. Like, what the fuck? Wait.